Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change name on Realme C67 device. By changing the phone name to your own name, it becomes easier to identify your device in a list of connected devices or when sharing files or media with others. It helps distinguish your device from others with similar default names. Okay, and then to do that, here you can go to the settings menu on your device. And then, please scroll down to the very bottom. After that, here you can select About Phone option. And then here, to change your name, you can tap the first option. And then you can rename your device as you need. For example, after that, click Save. And then now, your device name is successfully changed. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change name on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.